making wishes. We're throwing a coin into a wishing well. We are making a do-it-yourself wishing well prop. I had to decide if I wanted it to look like bricks or stones, and I had to decide on the shape. Octagon, square, cylinder. My final answer was I wanted it to look like wooden planks, but I didn't want it to be square either, so I decided on a pentagon. I got a huge piece of styrofoam from the local hardware store, and I was able to cut all of my wood planks and have enough foam to cut out our guitars and our drum set for another craft I will post very soon. I cut out the 5 cardboard rectangles and I hot glued the foam planks on. I was so happy, and then I realized I had made a terrible mistake. I did not like this look at all. I had seen a brown wishing well outside of someone's house, and I thought that was the way to go, but it was too dark, so I had to pivot. We are blowing the whistle. And after the review of the play, I ran to Dollar Tree. I found these stickers. I use little cardboard corners to secure the cardboard in place. Ballet shoes and power tools. I got a longer 2x4 from the hardware store, and I cut out the 5 trapezoids that I would need to make the little lip on top of the wishing well. I attached the little lip on with some L brackets. And then I hot glued some foam rectangles that I got at the craft store onto my wishing well so that nobody would get a splinter in their fingers or cut them on the hardware. And this is what the inside looks like. It's all reinforced. It was pretty strong. All that was left was where the 2 rectangles met. I started by cutting a little bit of cardboard, sticking it in there. And I decided to go with a piece of quarter rounded molding, and that was able to lay flat in there. It was perfect. Let's talk about this roof. For the roof, I attached 2 pieces of thick cardboard together like a V, and then I put an extra piece. Then I was able to use these electrical conduit bodies, and they fit 2 dowels. So one would go across to hold up the rope with the bucket attached, and the 2 would be on the ends to hold up the roof. And for the roof, I got gray felt from the fabric store. I cut them into these little tombstone shapes, and I just layered them to make the shingles. And I was so happy and proud of the process. I added a couple hanging flowers, and then I added a little piece on the bottom. I'm super happy with my wishing well. I'm the Constant Crafter, and I hope you enjoyed the video.